Receiving money on Wise is a straightforward process that allows you to easily access funds from international transfers. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Create or log into your Wise account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Provide your bank details. Once logged in, navigate to the Receive Money section. Here, you will need to provide your bank account details, including the currency you wish to receive the funds in. This is essential for the sender to know where to send the money. Step 3. Share your Wise account information. After setting up your bank details, Wise will generate specific account information for you. Share this information with the person sending you money. This may include your Wise account number and any relevant reference codes. Step 4. Wait for the transfer. After the sender initiates the transfer using your Wise account information, you will need to wait for the funds to arrive. Transfers can vary in time depending on the currencies involved in the sender's bank. Step 5. Check your balance. Once the transfer is complete, you can check your Wise account balance to confirm that the money has been received. You can then choose to withdraw the funds to your local bank account or use them for other transactions within Wise. By following these steps, you can easily receive money through Wise. Enjoy the convenience of international transfers.